Liquid trading does not provide financial advice, we provide information for your consideration. Today's number one top gainer is CMC Materials Incorporated, symbol CCMP. The stock went up by $49.53 or 33.93% to $195.50. Target low price is $130, with a target high price of $205. CMC Materials Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $249.76 million. We found a few news articles related to CCMP. Globe Newswire published a story titled Shareholder Alert, Rigrodsky Law, PA, and announces investigation of CMC Materials Incorporated merger. Globe Newswire published a story titled CMC Materials Alert, Bragger Eagle and Squire, PC investigates sale of CCMP and encourages investors to contact the firm. American City Business Journals published a story titled Integris to pay $6.5 billion for fellow semiconductor company. PR Newswire published a story titled Shareholder Alert, Ademi LLP investigates whether CMC Materials Incorporated has obtained a fair price in its transaction with Integris. Business Wire published a story titled CMC Materials, CCMP investigation, Halpersadeh LLP announces investigation into whether the sale of CMC Materials Incorporated is fair to shareholders. Investors are encouraged to contact the firm, CCMP. Today's number 2 top gainer is BAIC Motor Corporation Limited, symbol BMCLF. The stock went up by $0.1033 or 26.96% to $0.4865. BAIC Motor Corporation Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $146.75 billion. Today's number 3 top gainer is Bird Global Incorporated, symbol BRDS. The stock went up by $1.22 or 15.74% to $8.97. Target low price is $13, with a target high price of $14. Bird Global Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $163.76 million. Today's number 4 top gainer is Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated, symbol DNA. The stock went up by $1.33 or 14.00% to $10.83. Target low price is $14, with a target high price of $14.5. Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $181.13 million. We found a few news articles related to DNA. AccessWire published a story titled Shareholder Alert, Pomerantz Law Firm investigates claims on behalf of investors of Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated. DNA. AccessWire published a story titled Kessler Topaz Meltzer and Czech, LLP, reminds investors of securities fraud class action filed against of investors of Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated. Globe Newswire published a story titled Ginkgo Alert, Bragger Eagle and Squire, PC reminds investors that a class action lawsuit has been filed against Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated and encourages investors to contact the firm. PR Newswire published a story titled Rosen, Respected Investor Counsel, encourages Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated F/K/A Soaring Eagle Acquisition Corporation investors with losses over $100,000 to secure counsel before important January 18 deadline and securities class action commenced by the firm, DNA, SRNG. AccessWire published a story titled DNA Shareholders, Contact Robbins LLP if you lost money in Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings Incorporated, DNA, F/K/A Soaring Eagle Acquisition Corporation, SRNG. Today's number 5 top gainer is C3.ai Incorporated, symbol AI. The stock went up by $3.87 or 12.41% to $35.05. Target low price is $34, with a target high price of $103. C3.ai Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $207.65 million. We found a few news articles related to AI. Investopedia published a story titled The Top and Bottom 5 Stocks of 2021. Business Wire published a story titled Lieutenant General, Retired, H.R. McMaster joined C3.ai Advisory Board. Business Wire published a story titled C3.ai authorizes stock repurchase program, up to $100 million over 18 months. GuruFocus.com published a story titled Van X Social Sentiment ETF buys BlackBerry, AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, Pfizer Incorporated, sells. Motley Fool published a story titled Here's Why C3.ai stock is down over 80% from its high. Today's number 1 top loser is Wuzai Biologics, Cayman, Incorporated, symbol WXXWY. The stock went down by $5.20 or 20.77% to $19.85. Wuzai Biologics, Cayman Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $3.48 billion. We found a few news articles related to WXXWY. Bloomberg published a story titled US to blacklist DJI and 7 other China firms, FT reports. Today's number 2 top loser is Wu Ziyap Tech Company, limited symbol WXAY. The stock went down by $4.15 or 19.35% to $17.30. Wu Ziyap Tech Company, Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $16.92 billion. Today's number 3 top loser is Legend Biotech Corporation, symbol LEGN. The stock went down by $7.40 or 15.25% to $41.14. Target low price is $51, with a target high price of $71. Legend Biotech Corporation has higher total revenue than total debt by $18.13 million. We found a few news articles related to LEGN. Business Wire published a story titled Legend Biotech Corporation announces proposed public offering. Today's number 4 top loser is Zilab Limited, symbol ZLAB. The stock went down by $7.79 or 12.43% to $54.90. Target low price is $134, with a target high price of $231. Zilab Limited has higher total revenue than total debt by $98.27 million. We found a few news articles related to ZLAB. Motley Fool published a story titled Why Shares of Beijing and Zilab Are Tanking Today. Investing.com published a story titled Zilab Down but JP Morgan Says Weakness Overdone. Today's number 5 top loser is China Evergrande Group, symbol EGRNF. The stock went down by $0.0246 or 11.46% to $0.1900. China Evergrande Group has higher total debt than total revenue by $112.46 billion. We found a few news articles related to EGRNF. Bloomberg published a story titled China's Bubble Bursting Has Wall Street Eyeing a 2022 Rally. Reuters published a story titled Exclusive, China Audits Evergrande, Chairman's Assets, No Fire Sale for Now Sources. Bloomberg published a story titled One More Developer Seeks to Extend Debt to Evergrande Update. Reuters published a story titled Offshore CAISA Bondholders Look to Buy Its China Bad Loan Sources. Bloomberg published a story titled Crash in Shimao Bond Stokes Contagion Fear, Bailout Speculation. Today's number 1 top undervalued growth stock is Bank of America Corporation, symbol BAC. Target low price is $35, with a target high price of $64. Bank of America Corporation has higher total debt than total revenue by $474.06 billion. We found a few news articles related to BAC. Zacks published a story titled Bank of America, BAC, Gains as Market Dips, What You Should Know. Reuters published a story titled Bank of America CEO Says Credit Quality Strong, No Impact from Omicron Variant. Today's number 2 top undervalued growth stock is Pfizer Incorporated, symbol PFE. The stock is up by $3.27 or 5.89% to $58.81. Pfizer Incorporated has higher total revenue than total debt by $29.46 billion. We found a few news articles related to PFE. Bloomberg published a story titled Germany Rations Shots, MedOpera's Booster Mandate, Virus Update. Motley Fool published a story titled Why Pfizer Stock Jumped Today. Insider Monkey published a story titled Top 10 Stocks to Buy according to legendary value investor Joel Greenblatt. MarketWatch published a story titled 2 former Monsanto companies agree to pay $700,000, clean up Superfund sites, update. Reuters published a story titled Update 1 Americas May Be Left Behind in Access to New COVID Treatments, says PAHO. Today's number 3 top undervalued growth stock is Ata Unibanku Holding SA, symbol ATUB. Target low price is $5, with a target high price of $7.2. Ata Unibanku Holding SA has higher total debt than total revenue by $532.1 billion. Today's number 4 top undervalued growth stock is Citigroup Incorporated, symbol C. Target low price is $63.1, with a target high price of $124. Citigroup Incorporated has higher total debt than total revenue by $487.6 billion. We found a few news articles related to MarketWatch published a story titled U.S. Oil Prices Turn Higher After Fed Policy Update. Yahoo Finance published a story titled Stock Market News Live Updates, Stocks Turn Positive as Traders Eye Fed Decision to Speed Up Tapering. Oilprice.com published a story titled Almost All of Russia's Oil Could Become Hard to Recover in the Coming Years. Zacks published a story titled Chevron, CVX, Inks deal with Equatorial Guinea for Block EG09. Oilprice.com published a story titled Alberta's non-mining oil production soars to record high. Today's number 5 top undervalued growth stock is Vale SA, symbol Vale. Target low price is $10, with a target high price of $26. Vale SA has higher total revenue than total debt by $201.1 billion. We found a few news articles related to Vale. GuruFocus.com published a story titled Van Eck Natural Resources ETF buys Tyson Foods Incorporated, Vale SA, Newmont Corp, sells Wilmar. Zacks published a story titled Vale, VALE, to sell stake in California Steel Industries for $400 million. Let's talk about cryptocurrency for a moment. The first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, symbol BTC. The crypto is up by $2,595.43 or 5.56% to $49,257.76. Bitcoin has a market cap of $931.065 billion and a circulating supply of 18.9 million. Bitcoin is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. Bitcoin is over the average volume. The second cryptocurrency is Ethereum, symbol ETH. The crypto is up by $291.62 or 7.75% to $4,056.88. Ethereum has a market cap of $481.768 billion and a circulating supply of 118.75 million. Ethereum is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. Ethereum is over the average volume. We found a few news articles related to Ethereum. Globe Newswire published a story titled Vishay Intertechnology to acquire substantially all of the assets of Berry Industries for $21 million. PR Newswire published a story titled Prologis to announce fourth quarter 2021 results January 19, 2022. Business Wire published a story titled First Trust Dynamic Europe Equity Income Fund issues notice regarding December 2021 distribution. PR Newswire published a story titled Truist announces fourth quarter 2021 earnings call details. Business Wire published a story titled First Trust Energy Infrastructure Fund issues notice regarding December 2021 distribution. The third cryptocurrency is Binance Coin, symbol BNB. The crypto is up by $26.84 or 5.19% to $544.06. Binance Coin has a market cap of $90.75 billion and a circulating supply of 166.8 million. Binance Coin is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. We found a few news articles related to Binance Coin. Bloomberg published a story titled Psychedelic Drug Firm's Billionaire Backer Will Hold On to Stake. Bloomberg published a story titled Soaring Food Prices Are Approaching a Peak, Cargill CEO says. PR Newswire published a story titled American Airlines Flight Attendant Calls on CEO to Change Handling of Sexual Assault Cases. PR Newswire published a story titled Park Bancorp Incorporated Announces Cash Dividend. Business Wire published a story titled Improve Contents Claim Experiences for Insureds and Adjusters with New Guidewire Marketplace app from Inservio. The fourth cryptocurrency is Tether, symbol USDT. Tether has a market cap of $76.381 billion and a circulating supply of 76.38 billion. Tether is under the 250-day moving averages. We found a few news articles related to Tether. Yahoo Finance published a story titled Stock Market News Live Updates. Tech stocks lead indexes higher following Fed decision. S&P 500 gains 1.6%. PR Newswire published a story titled MSC Industrial Supply CO declares regular quarterly dividend. PR Newswire published a story titled Global $422 BN Cement Markets Analysis and Forecasts, 2016 to 2020 and 2021 to 2026. The fifth cryptocurrency is Solana, symbol SOL1. The crypto is up by $26.73 or 17.35% to $180.84. Solana has a market cap of $55.659 billion and a circulating supply of 307.79 million. Solana is under 50-day moving average but above the 200-day moving average. Solana is over the average volume. We found a few news articles related to Solana. PR Newswire published a story titled Labor Law Attorneys Zach Law Group, APLC and JCL Law Firm, APC file lawsuit against Shake Shack, alleging failure to pay for all time worked. Liquid Trading does not provide financial advice, we provide information for your consideration. Please hit the like and subscribe button so we can keep making informative content. Thank you and hope to see you soon.